You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. Open the trunk. Using a small flathead screwdriver, open the 3 small hatches for access to the light retaining screws. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket or a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 3 screws holding the light. Unscrew the last screw using a Phillips screwdriver. With your hands, pull directly on the light. Remember to do this horizontally in line with the car. To change the side light and brake light bulbs, rotate a quarter turn anti-clockwise while holding the grey base. Then remove the assembly. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a quarter turn.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. To replace the bulbs on the indicators, take the bulb base and make a turn anti-clockwise. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. To replace the reversing lights, take the plastic cap and make a quarter turn to the left. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Take the new bulb. Put the new bulb in the base, then insert the assembly into the lamp and rotate it a quarter turn to the right. To replace the fog light bulb, take the bulb frame and turn it anti-clockwise. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the light back in its housing. Then screw the 4 screws back on. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.